Once the machine's gone through its diagnostics, you'll see here the preset temperature. If we tap on it, it will then show us a bar to show us where the unit is in terms of temperature and what temperature needs to be achieved. If we need to preset this preheat temperature to a different value, press the return key, press the button at the bottom and go into settings. Settings pin is 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Press the tick and now you can see we're on a different screen. Here we can go into the preheat. Here we can set the main temperature that the unit will preheat to every day unless changed. We can also set a time for it to heat for the little extra and get the actual temperature into the bones of the machine, or we can set a second preheat temperature. We generally tend to set just the one temperature, and always be careful that the preheat set temperature is the same as all the cooking temperatures on your programs.